first three game reserves. The person stationed here has a job of closing anyone in the cage should the need arise. Here, African lion safari, we rely on two-way radio communication to play messages throughout the park. In this reserve, you'll be introduced to our pride of rare white lions. These are just like the lions that we saw in section 2, with the exception of the color of their coat. Going in the lion country, and I think I said this began to disappear from the wild. There is said to be less than 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild today. African lion safaris, please note over 40 cheetahs have been born since 2001, and we have received the main. The function of the mane is to act as protection to the head and neck region when fighting with other cats. It's also to look more impressive to the females and more intimidating to the other males. Lions are very social creatures that will commonly live in prides of 5 family members. Each pride consists of males and females with cubs of various ages. There is a definite order of dominance within the pride, and they do the following breeding ritual, which involves rubbing heads together with tails moved in the air. The lion, whose size, power, and bearing capture human imagination since the earliest of times, is often called the king of beasts. People normally associate the lion with Africa, yet as the species developed much further north, down to Europe during the last ice age. Their domain where they live is generally areas south of the Sahara, with a small number still living under protection in the Gir forests of India. The terrain where they live is generally open plains of flat scrubland and few trees, which is ideal for hunting antelope, zebra, and other prey. All of our lions are fed up to 6 pounds of AAA grade beef and chicken each day. All of the meat is supplemented with the necessary nutrients and vitamins to promote good health. Long lions, however, they are not albino. The color of their coat is due to a color inhibitor or genetic mutation called leucism, which inhibits the deposition of pigments along their hair shaft, producing the paler coat that we see here. They do, however, show visible pigmentation in their eyes, paw pads, and lips. Similar to the tawny lion, their eyes usually hazel or golden, although some do have blue, green, or gray colored eyes. When these cubs are born, they are said to look like polar bear cubs, however, they will gradually darken as they get older to pale cream color, also known as blonde. On the male's mane and tail tufts, however, do remain in a paler shade. The male lion that you see there, his name is Feta, and along with Feta we have Bree, Shire, and Kiara. This myth is superstition accounts of white lions have been around for centuries. According to African folklore legends from over 400 years ago, white lions are children of the sun sent to earth as gifts, and it access the region of South Africa known as Timbabani. A number of white lions have also been returned to the wild. The Global White Lion Protection Trust states there are less than 300 white lions worldwide, and the greatest population exists in zoos they are deliberately red in color. It is also interesting to know that a lion's roar can be heard about 5 miles away. It's usually uttered in the morning and again in the evening. Males begin to roar at about 1 year of age and most shortly thereafter. However, the male's roar is both louder and deeper than that of the females. Sometimes before the park opens, we are able to hear our lions roaring. All of our animals are behaving themselves, and also to make sure that visitors are behaving themselves as well. Watusi come in a variety of colors. It could be both spotted and solid in color. Their ancestry dates back over 6,000 years, making them one of the oldest breeds of cattle in the world. Their large and impressive horns are also a definite showstopper amongst the bovine kingdom. They act as radiator systems similar to those found in vehicles. Blood circulates to the horns and disperses heat, cooling down the blood before it enters back into the body, thus helping to regulate the animal's body temperature. To promote genetic diversity.
Oh, it's so hot. Anand.
Two guys were there, they were just playing with the fish. Okay.
Oh, it's nicer. Oh, right here.
आगे जहाँ पैरेंट्स है ना वहीं पर है इसको थोड़ा कुर्सी देते अगर तो
Waterfall.
Ilan? Padong na ko diyan. Anong maman mo mutan na og siyo? Dire. Wato sa mga animals. Wato sa musuroy sa ta dito, mo drive sa ta nya. Na may show balik alas 6. Oh, mutanaw tag siyo. Musuroy sa ta dito sa kuan isod na to nasa sakyanan. Aga, kasabot ko. Oh, basta kay musod ta atong mga tiger. Magsakyanan ta, mubalik ta, mutanaw tag siyo. Sayang yung entrance. Katong kananan, amin okay, sige. Okay, sige, bye, ingat, love you.
Tomorrow? I don't think we're gonna be here tomorrow. I don't think so.
Okay, what do you want?
Speed round.